How to Start Your Online Business, a step-by-step guide. So if you've always dreamed of starting your own business, I have good news for you because it has been more accessible and easy to get started than ever before. So even if you've had a dream of being your own boss and not felt like it's been possible for you, I have some news today. You are going to make this dream a reality and make sure that you be able to have the flexibility to work from anywhere. All right. So before we get started, grab a pen and paper, and I'm going to guide you through the essential steps of kickstarting your online business. Before we get started, I want you to already have an idea of what business you would like to start. The first thing you would do in order to think of what really is your passion, I want you to really determine your skills, your expertise, your previous experience, your passion, everything that you really like to do, you get compliments on. This is what you're going to think of, and you're going to do a deep dive. It's no rush. Take your time and go through this self-reflection journey, because the main question that you need to ask yourself is, what problem do you want to solve for the people you're going to help? So with an online business, you're the solution. You're the solution to someone's problem. You can provide a service or a product that's going to solve a problem that is really going to get you the customers and clients because you have what they want and what they need. So you want to think of what offer can you bring to your target audience. That's your first step, you guys. In step two, once you've decided everything that you want to be about, what you want to be known for, what you want to help with, you're going to research that market. So you're going to just conduct a thorough market research to make sure that you, number one, understand your target audience. That's who you're selling to, who you're serving. You want to also understand your competitors, if there are any similar businesses that can show an example model of what you would like to achieve. You would look at those competitors to see what they're doing right, what they're doing that could use improvement, or what are the things that their customers are asking for that they're missing. Where is the gap? That's what you want to look at. So first and foremost, you would already have an idea of what niche you want to be in. And your niche is just your area of focus where you're targeting in on. So, for example, if you're in the healthcare field, you want to decide, are you talking about nutrition? Are you going to speak about workouts? What is your target of what you're focusing on for your business? Once you analyze the market trends, you're going to assess whether or not there's a demand for your product or your service. Now, step three, this is where you're creating your business plan. So your business plan is really just outlining goals that you have for your financial projections, anything that you know that you're going to have to invest in. This is where you're going to really outline your marketing approach. This whole business plan is really serving as a roadmap for you, like for your success, and helping you stay focused as you're growing through your journey. Now, step four is establishing online presence. This is building your online presence on social media, on your website. This is where you are really aligning your brand to your values, your mission, your vision, but you're creating a professional presence that's going to be engaging. It's going to attract your audience and really just help people know you, like you, and trust you. Step five is choosing the right platform. So, there's so many different social media platforms that we have out here: TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and so forth. We really need to do the research and find out first and foremost where your audience is and how you want to show up to meet their needs. So you need to find out the best time to post, the best days of the week to post, how often you should post. And that's going to help you build a great, strong online presence to, number one, stand out from the crowd, but number two, to be unique as your own uniqueness in your brand. And speaking of that, that's where we move on to step six, which is building your actual brand. Building a strong brand identity is going to reflect your business values and it's going to resonate with your target audience. So, like I always tell you guys, it's more than just a logo, quotes or pictures. It's really crafting a unique brand voice, a unique brand message, and making sure that this is all consistent with the visuals, with the message, all across any online channels that you choose to show up on. So, step number 7 is developing a great marketing strategy that's going to promote your business. So, you're going to utilize your website, you're going to utilize social media with content marketing, you're going to utilize email marketing, and of course, SEO, which is search engine optimization, to reach and engage your potential customers. Step 8 is really the field of the ongoing process. This is where you're building your trust and credibility through content, through everything you do. This is where you're going to be along the way gathering reviews, gathering testimonials, showcasing your expertise through valuable content, because trust is vital for long-term success. Step 9, you're monitoring, analyzing, and adapting. This is a continuous process where you're just monitoring your business's performance. So you can do this by utilizing the analytic tools that we have on our website to look at the traffic we're getting. You want to also keep an eye out on your customers' behavior. Are they clicking? Are they, going to your website? Are they, using the call to actions that you put on your content? Is it leading them to making behavior such as clicks, such as buying a product or downloading a freebie? You want to look at your conversion rates as well. And even if you're using social media only, you want to make sure that you're looking at your conversion rates as well, to see how much of your content is really actually getting you customers. So last but not least, step 10 is really where you're scaling to grow. So as your business gains momentum, you're exploring new opportunities where you can scale and grow. So that's only just in a nutshell, expanding your product line. So that's where you're diversifying your revenue streams and reaching new markets. So whatever you're doing in the beginning, this is where you're going to expand on that. For example, if you start off with a coaching program, if you want to really diversify your income stream, you can turn that coaching program into a membership. You can break it down into separate digital products, online courses, the list goes on. So overall, starting your online business, it does require dedication. It requires perseverance and a strategic approach. And this is something where you're always polishing up your process to get better and better each time, staying focused. And remember, one thing about being an expert in your field yourself is the brand, okay? So you need to stay focused, make sure that you're never stopping the continuous process of learning, okay? Because your online business journey grows as you grow. Okay, so if you guys have any questions on anything that I discussed or anything else that I didn't mention in this video, this was just an overview giving you the outline of what it takes to start an online business. If you need any help with this, be sure to look down below and click on the link where I will have my link to my best-selling course, which is going to help you start from beginning to end, a step-by-step roadmap for you starting up your online brand, making it a success. If you guys have any questions, stay polished and for the win. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next lesson.